Hey guys, and welcome back to part 1 of February's limited time free on the Fab marketplace. This time around, we have access to 3 amazing assets free again until the 25th of February, but you can keep them forever. And these are the Valley of Guldur, Ninja Input, and Post-Apocalyptic Urban City. So let's just get right into it, starting with the Valley of Guldur. So this is an asset pack which includes 86 unique meshes of a kind of ruined castle or modular pieces which you can use to create your own scenes. So it says all of the objects in this have manually adjusted LODs and collision meshes, and most of the meshes also come with 4K texture sets as well, and it includes parallax, leaves and particle materials, and a simple wind too. So again, there's 86 unique meshes, there's 52 materials and material instances with 123 textures, with those text resolutions being both 2K and 4K. There isn't a massive amount written on the page for this, but you can see what it is that you're getting. You're getting this kind of ruined castle asset pack, which you can use to create your own environments within your game as well. Normally, this is $70 for the personal license and $140 for the professional license, but obviously it is free until the 25th of February. Next up, we have the Ninja Input, and this is a plugin which simplifies handling player input while working with the Enhanced Input module. So this provides many different input handlers out of the box, which can be connected to your input actions and perform common tasks such as move, look, jump, or crouch. It is also integrated with the gameplay ability system, providing input handlers for all common GAS related activation and cancellation logic, and you can also easily create new handlers for anything that you need using either blueprints or C++. So whichever one you prefer to use, you can use each one. Both of them work. And this plugin also includes a simple yet powerful animation-based input buffer that allows handlers to be cached and triggered later, and an automated detection of input types as well. So this will simplify the configuration and usage of Enhanced Input plugin, and will also provide an extensive collection of handlers that can be immediately used straight out of the box, reducing the developing time required to accomplish complex input behavior. Now this works for both keyboard and mouse and gamepad inputs as well, and it broadcasts changes to your pawn and controller. And to finish all of this off as well, it is clean and well documented code with official documentation and YouTube tutorials as well, teaching you how to use this in the best, most efficient way possible, as this can be probably a bit confusing for some people to first initially wrap their head around. So this one looks very, very good. Normally this is $50 for the personal license and $75 for the professional license, but again, it's obviously free until the 25th of February. And finally, last but not least, we have the Post-Apocalyptic Urban City. Now this is an urban design based on a post-apocalyptic theme, and included within this, there is both interior and exterior as well, and the demo map included can show you the possibilities of populating any similar project with the same art style, or you can even just use it in your games as well. You don't have to just use it as an example of what you can make. You can use it too. So there's also both night and day lighting setups for that demo map. And if you did want to use the assets yourself instead of using that map, everything within this is fully modular as well. So you can create your own custom maps, which are going to be completely different to everyone else who has the same pack. So again, this features interior and exterior assets, night and day lighting setup, high detail props, variation in environment sections as well, so it's not too repetitive. There's also decals including graffiti and water splash, an easy to use wire blueprint, dust particles, and the lighting that is already created is well optimized too. So in total there are 248 unique meshes with 125 materials and material instances and 315 textures, all of which being 4K. So normally this is $60 for the personal license and $60 as well for the professional license, but again obviously free for the time being. And with that, that'll be it for covering part 1 of February's limited time free on the Fab or the Unreal Engine marketplace. I think my favourite one this time around is probably the Post-Apocalyptic Urban City, but let me know in the comments down below which one your favourite one was as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you found it helpful. And if you did, please do make sure to like and subscribe down below, as it really does help me and the channel out a lot. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.